Yeah,
It's like his favorite thing in the world.
that sounds like a Gentex commander.
What does it sound like?
Oh yeah, it's going off. Fire alarm. Yep, it's the fire alarm. Yep, that's the fire alarm, alright. That's what I was hearing. Surprised it isn't setting off the rest of the store. I know what that sounds like. That's a Gentex commander. You got to hear it. It's a blue strobe. You can see it. Pretty rare. I wonder what that sound was. Can't believe it. I don't know why it's not showing up on camera. That's definitely the fire alarm light. Is this a fire alarm inspection or a fire alarm watching video? It's a blue strobe. Why is it not showing up on camera? Yeah, I know what that sounds like. It's the Gentex commanders. I'll play it on the screen right now. That's ear piercing. Wow. Wow, can't believe it. Glad I'm taking videos and I'm glad I have my camera. Never got to video fire alarm before. I'm enjoying this. What is wrong though? That's the question. Question is, what is wrong? For a second I thought that's air conditioning. I saw strobes flashing in here and I opened the door and it sounds louder. It's definitely the fire alarm. Is it me or did they just put stuff in here? No, they didn't. Surprised it isn't setting off the rest of the store. Who knows? We'll keep our eyes peeled. Strobe.
I heard it.
Can't believe it. I saw one go off before, but I didn't get to video it though. It's either I wasn't in fire alarms or I was in school. Like really, I'm surprised that didn't set off the rest of the store. That is a Gentex Commander 2 or 3 that's going off right now. That is, and why it's doing that. It's a blue strobe though, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I think this could be it for this part of the video. Looks like they're going to silence it. That's going inside as well. Hey Mom, it looks like they're about to silence it if you want to come now. I don't know why it's not showing up on camera, Becky. That's a continuous.
Dinner's ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take a look.
I see it. I can hear it too.
Take a look. Do you want to look inside?
I see it inside.
View from it on mommy's phone.